Certainement, il y a un peu qui pèse dans l'area, parce que le mouvement, allez, tout est comme ça va aller. Ça veut demander d'avoir des efforts. Mais là, vous pouvez dire que c'est là, t'as semblé que mon andal. Ça, c'est qu'à là, t'as semblé que mon andal. T'as la fait tomber là, t'as semblé. Mais il faut une area net. Mais comment l'area séparée en deux? Est-ce que vous demandez à qui fait ça? C'est le bloc. Ça gazé, elle peut être mise en net. On dirait que le commissariat a tout gazé, il y a plusieurs prisonniers qui sont allés. Par contre, pour qu'on ait à la qui démarche qui fait pour ça. Ok. Ok, ça va rapport.
At least 227 people died in a 7.2 magnitude earthquake in Haiti on Saturday morning, according to the country's Civil Protection Service. The U.S. Geological Survey previously stated that casualties are likely to be high, saying that the disaster is likely to be widespread. One hospital in the southern city of Jeremy said it was overcrowded with patients. A lot of people, said the administrator at St. Antoine's Hospital. We don't have enough supplies. According to the administrator, there are tents in the hospital yard. According to the U.S. Geological Survey, the quake occurred about 12 kilometers 7.5 miles northeast of St. Louis du Sud and at a depth of 10 kilometers. There are reports of significant damage to homes, roads and infrastructure, said American Red Cross spokesman Katie Wilkes. Haitian First Lady Martin Moise said her heart aches after receiving news of the earthquake that caused massive damage south of the Grand Anse. The initial information I received from the Grand Anse is heartbreaking, said the First Lady. I am in pain because of the children, mothers, the elderly, the disabled, my friends and all the victims of this earthquake.